students! I am Teacher Timmy and welcome to our math class. Today we are going to make this subject easy and fun. Are you excited? Let's start. For lesson 1, we are going to learn about the numerical coefficient and literal coefficient of an algebraic expression. The question is, what is the difference between the numerical and literal coefficient of an algebraic expression? So remember, literal coefficient is a variable used to represent a number, while the numerical coefficient is a number that is the multiplier of the variable in a term. For our illustration number 1, our expression is 2x. So in this given, our numerical coefficient is 2. Remember that the numerical coefficient is the number before the variable. And in this example, our literal coefficient is x. So easy, right? Now let's try example number 2. Our expression is negative 4m squared. So as in this example, our numerical coefficient is negative 4 and our literal coefficient is m. Do you now remember the difference between the numerical and literal coefficient of an algebraic expression? Now, let us practice. We are going to do it together. Are you ready? For question number 1, what is the numerical coefficient of the given algebraic expression 5b? If your answer is 5, you are correct. Great job! Now it's your turn. I will give you 15 seconds to answer this question. If your answer is X, you did a great job. Now try to do the next one. Very good. If your answer is negative 7. Now it's your turn. Find the numerical or literal coefficient of the following given and write your answer in your notebook. I will give you 30 seconds to finish this task. You can do it. We are now in lesson number 2. Now we are going to learn about the variable and constant of an algebraic expression. But first, let us review the meaning of variable and constant. Remember that variable is a letter used in place of an unknown number in equations, expressions, and formulas, while constant is a value or number that never changes in an expression. And for our example number 1, our algebraic expression is x plus 1. The variable is x and the constant is 1. Very easy, right? And of course, for our second example, the algebraic expression is 3z minus 4. Our variable is z. You are correct. and our constant is -4. And now, let's practice. Let's try to identify the variable and the constant in the following algebraic expression. I will give you 15 seconds to answer each given. Good luck! If your answer is -7, you are correct. That's great job. Now, let's try to have number 2. Do we have the same answer? If your answer is M, then you are correct. Congratulations. Let's now proceed to number 3. Time's up. If your answer is XY, then we have the same answer and you are correct. Congratulations. Are you ready? Now it's your turn. I want you to identify the variable and the constant in the following algebraic expression and write your answer in your notebook. I will give you 30 seconds to finish this activity. I know you can do it. Good luck! Hey, congratulations! You are doing so well in our class. So let us continue. For our lesson 3, we are going to learn about the degree and leading term of polynomial. Let's start. Let us define first the meaning of the degree and leading term of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of a variable in the polynomial, while the leading term of polynomial is the term with highest degree. It's easy to remember, right? Let's now have our first example. Our given is 3x squared plus 5. This polynomial has two terms. The first term is 3x squared and the second term is positive 5. Let us now identify the degree. The degree, as you can see, is 2. Clue: the degree of the polynomial is the highest exponent. So in this given, the highest exponent is 2. And the leading term here is 3x squared because it is the term with the highest degree. And for our example number 2, our polynomial is 4x squared plus x to the 4th power. In this given, the degree of the polynomial is 4 because 4 is the highest exponent. And our leading term is x to the 4th power because it is the term with the highest exponent. And now, let us practice. I wanted to be sure that you already know how to identify the degree and the leading term of a polynomial by answering the following exercises. I will give you 15 seconds to answer each given. Good luck! I know you can do it. And you are correct. The degree of the expression x to the fifth power plus 7 is 5. Great job! Now, let's try to answer number 2. Is your answer 4m cubed? That is perfect. You're doing a great job. Let's now go to question number 3. And the degree of the term 5 is 0. Remember that the degree of a constant or any number is always 0. And the correct answer is 1. Maybe you're thinking, teacher, I am not seeing any exponent in the term x. Remember that if you're not seeing any exponent, it is already understood that the exponent is 1. Congratulations! Are you ready? It's your turn. I want you to identify the degree or the leading term of the following polynomial and write the answer in your notebook. I am going to give you 30 seconds to answer this activity. Good luck! Time's up. Check your own work. If your answer for number 1 is 4, and for number 2 is y cubed, and for number 3 is 0, then you got a perfect score. Congratulations! Yay! We are now in our last topic. For our lesson number 4, we are going to study about the base and exponent of an exponential number. The base is the number that tells what number is being multiplied, and the exponent is a small number written in the upper right of the base and tells how many times the base is being multiplied to itself. And this is our example. 2 to the fifth power. Our base is 2 and our exponent is 5. Now it's your turn. I want you to identify the base or the exponent in the following expression. Write your answer in your notebook. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to answer this activity. Good luck! If your answer in number 1 is y, and in number 2 is 3, and in number 3 is 1, then you got a perfect score. Congratulations! Let us summarize what we have learned for today. First, numerical and literal coefficient of an algebraic expression. Second, the variable and constant. Third, the degree and leading term of a polynomial. And the last one is the base and exponent. And that ends our lesson for today. Congratulations, students. You did a very good job. Once again, I am Teacher Timmy, and always remember that learning mathematics is fun. Bye bye and have a great day.